like to sit in to do my videos. Yeah, you're in my chair, dude. Get down. Yeah, you don't care. There we go. I had to adjust things because I'm sitting forward too far because of dog in my spot. I have a luxury Diva today. Luxury Diva's $29.99, $30. I don't know. I never can remember one time to the next. I think it's 30, maybe 35. I think it's 30. And here's a little quick look up. Not gonna show you too much. Total value this month is $109. This is actually October, so it's not this month. And they give you a little handwritten card by Marina usually. This time I got a whole bag full of Halloween candy. There's a sucker in there, some gum, none of the good stuff. But if you haven't been, you know, usually you go like to like Walmart a day or two after Halloween and there's only the suckers and the gum, there's none of the good stuff, the chocolate and so on. I went to Walmart Tuesday maybe, and it was like nobody taking anything. It was packed full of the big bags of different varieties of chocolate and Snickers and, you know, you name it, it was chocolate there. I bet, and then it was 50% off. I bet by now it's probably 75-80% off because evidently nobody bought Halloween candy this year. We didn't, but we never do. But I don't think people were going trick-or-treating. I think they way over-ordered, but they probably ordered it 6 months ago, and who knew, you know. So if you want some chocolate, Halloween candy, it's probably still cheap, and there's probably still lots of it. This is what the box looks like. My eyes so dry today. Ugh. When I get those Botox shots, sometimes there's a negative reaction to it, and I get super, super dry eye. It feels like sandpaper. Alrighty, here's what it looks like. What do we have here? Everything's sliding around. I have Complete Cleansing Charcoal Cleansing Wipes. Value is $12. And here's a necklace. This is pretty. It's a tortoise shell with little bits of gold with a gold chain. And the value of this one is $19. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Well, October was. And here's some breast cancer awareness socks. These are the kind I like, the kind that have a top to them, those kind that, what do they call them? No-show socks or whatever. They don't stay, they always come off my ankles. It must be I got skinny ankles or something, I don't know, and they slide up underneath my feet. I can't wear those kind. I have to wear the kind that's what I guess they call these crew socks. Value on this is $12. A hat. Oh, if I put this on, it's going to totally mess up my hair. It's one of these slouchy hats. Or you could flip it up and pull it down and make it a beanie if you wanted. Value of this is $19. See, it's got that slouchy effect. There you go. Now it's really slouchy. A pair of navy blue leggings with kind of a nice wide rim on them so they stay up. They look pretty small, but with leggings you never know. Hopefully they'll fit because you can't send this stuff back. So if it doesn't fit, you have to just pass it on if you don't want it. And, oops, last but not least, looks like there's a top in here. Is it navy? Might be navy. the box was empty, it likes to take a dive. It just fell off the side of it because it gets top heavy with nothing in the bottom. Goes flying. Looks like I'm going to have a fashion show. I got mostly fashion stuff. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Ugh, it's a sweater. I thought it was a top. Well, I mean, it is a top, but you know what I mean. It'll go with those navy leggings. It's kind of a, it's a high-low, very, you know, much lower in the back. And it's, I don't know if you can see it, it's crisscross in the front a little bit. It's got, well, I'll have to wear it for you to see it, I think. It's this sort of variegated black and navy, and then got these navy leggings to go with it. Looks like we're gonna have a fashion show. We got a hat, pants, a top, and a necklace. Well, I won't put the hat on with the other stuff. Oh, now I messed my hair all up. I knew that would happen. Let's see what these values are. The top, it says this ultra flattering tunic style top adds a high-low wrap design to create a versatile piece that allows you to move through your day with elegance and ease. That's the word. $29, and the leggings are $20. You could have got the top in purple and the leggings in purple, but I got the navy. Then you could get the leggings in red too, which wouldn't really go with the purple or the navy that well. So I'm glad I got ones that kind of actually go together. The purple and navy would have gone together, but I don't know about purple and red or whatever. Okay, got the necklace, got the shirt, got the pants. Let's go put it all on. There we go, finally. I think my tripod's breaking. So it's got this little flappy open thing. So it's just covers the tummy in the front, but it's nice and low in the back, so you wear leggings with it, you don't see your booty. And the leggings, they're a little long on me, but I can hike them up where you can't see that they're a little too long. And the necklace goes good with it. I think it's a cute outfit. Let's go over here and talk about it. My tripod's breaking. Ugh. I think. I don't think I like this eyeshadow. Looks like I've got red eye going on. No, it's too red for me. Anyway, here's the necklace. I think it looks cute with this. You could wear it with pretty much, it'd be really cute with like a tan or brown. And I don't wear those colors, but so I looked it up because I couldn't remember. It's $35 for a Luxury Diva box. And if you don't know what Luxury Diva box, it's a monthly, what they call a lifestyle box. This is the first time I've ever got all these clothes. Usually you get, you know, maybe one piece of clothing, maybe a scarf, and you get some makeup and some skincare and maybe a candle or a journal or just all, you never know. It's all random stuff you're going to get. So this is the first time it's been really heavily clothes oriented with the socks and the hat and this whole outfit. That's never happened before. Usually maybe I'll get a shirt at one or maybe a pair of leggings, but not like a whole outfit like this. So I quit doing it for a little while because I was trying a couple other things and went back to the Luxury Diva because I just always like what I get. And it's always well worth the $35. I mean, leggings are 20 bucks probably, 10 at least, and this shirt's probably 20-ish, not counting the necklace and the socks and the charcoal wipes. So for $35 I got this it's a pretty big package of charcoal wipes. Does it say how many? Cruelty free, vegan free. Doesn't say how many, but it's a pretty big container. Oh, and don't forget the candy. Got a little bag of candy. The socks, and then this whole outfit. The leggings, this necklace, and one thing I like about Luxury Diva is they don't say the value of this necklace is like $50, you know, or something ridiculous like that. They're usually pretty honest with what they say their value is. That's what they say on this. $19. Oh, that was the hat. This was... Oh, the hat was 16, this was 19. Those are pretty close to what the actual value is. They're not like totally inflated, because I hate it when they say, oh, you saved $400. That's because you marked it up $300. Oh, it's something that's, I left it laying here so I remember to show you. When I was picking up all the tissue paper I had everywhere from that birthday box I got from Alex, one of the tissue papers was heavy, and I'm like, oopsie, there's something in there. This was in there. It's like an ornament. See, it's got the little hangy thing. And it says, we love because he first loved us. 1 John 4:19. So that's a cute ornament, and it goes right along with my beliefs. Do you believe we still, what is today, Thursday? We still don't know who the president is. I think there's all kinds of shenanigans going on. I just heard on the radio, or got a text or something, that they found 100,000, I forget what state it was, found 100,000 missing votes, and they were all for the same candidate. Now, I'm not going to say, I don't want to cause controversy or anything, but if you're going to cheat, at least sprinkle in some of the other guys so it doesn't look so obvious. Come on. I mean, there's no way you would find 100,000 all for the same guy. That's ridiculous. I mean, if you're going to be a cheater, at least be a smart cheater. That's craziness. So anyway, I have, tomorrow is my 5 on Friday with my clothing, where you vote on what I should keep. And I don't know what else coming up next week. Mask Monday and 5 Friday, if nothing else. In the middle, we'll stick something else in the middle. Maybe I'll do some crafting. I still haven't done any crafting since I got that bag of free stuff. I really need to make a video about that, or they'll take their free stuff back. Probably not, but they'll nag on me, I'm sure. It's like, where's my crafting video you promised? Well, 2 videos I promised. So I don't know. I usually wash things before I wear them, so I thought about just wearing this today, but I'll just put back on what I had on. So if you haven't ever subscribed and you're just visiting, or you've been here a while and haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of my videos. Let's see, what do I have? I do unboxings, like this is supposedly a lifestyle one, but it's more of a clothing one this time. Lifestyle, clothing, makeup. I do crafting videos, cooking videos. I do like questionnaire things like this and that. Like I've got one right now, it's Thanksgiving this or that. So what do you like pumpkin pie, or do you like pecan pie? That kind of thing is what that thing is. So come and join us. We have a lot of fun. And pardon my eye, it's just really, it wants to droop because it wants to close because it's so scratchy. Anyway, hope you all have a great day. It's Thursday, noonish, yeah, noonish on Thursday for me. And we will see you again tomorrow for the 5 for 5.